Two eagles close to each other. So the eagle caught something and is eating it. And the other eagle over here on the other light pole is making a bunch of noise. When he came to land on the pole where he is right now, the other eagle, this one was over there and it flew off. And that's when I realized it got something in its claw that it was eating. Look at that. All right, there it is. You see it now? Oh, I zoomed in too much. Well, you can see it. Well, if it comes back, you're gonna see it. Hopefully I get it. Look, what he's got in his claw. See? Yeah, he's eating something. I guess the other eagle wants it, or wants some of it, and so he's making all that noise. That one right there. Hopefully he doesn't try to attack me. But you can see him eating it, whatever it is. It looked like a squirrel when he came flying out earlier.